So guys, today is the 4th of July and we are going to have lunch and then later we will go to watch the fireworks. Happy 4th of July, America! So guys, we're going to have lunch here at Denny's. That's Jeff, Candy, and my husband. Let's go inside.
Probably just killed me. Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh man, my favorite claw machine is a unicorn.
I don't know if there's enough gravy on there.
I don't think there is.
To what? You need more?
Okay,
I can get more.
On salad.
I'll wait till I need it for sure. She's the steak.
Steak, yeah, it's mine. Thank you.
Corn.
He has the corn. He has, the other one has the zucchini.
What is that?
Cobb salad.
I almost got zucchini in
We
there.
can all, there's more gravy coming, by the way.
Awesome. Aha. Thank you, thank you.
Where is my grape? Anything
Awesome.
else for you guys?
Nope. That'll do it.
Enjoy, guys.
Thank you.
We'll take Felicia.
Bye bye. Yeah, it's good. She's telling me about you forgot your drink. She knows that I'm going to bring it.
Well, yeah, you don't want to forget it. Doing stuff like that.
A few moments later.
So now we are going to the fireworks, guys. Now it's very, very dark.
The other way did.
So guys, we are now waiting for the fireworks.
There they go.
There you go.
Jeff, shoot this light out.
Turn the lights off.
What is this one? There you are.
There we go.
Wow. Purple.
All right, let's go home. More.
Wow.
Oh, look at that.
And it ended up.
What are you guys talking about, buddy?
Those are cool.
Yeah.
That one is nice. Yeah.
Those,
I could be a pyromaniac, I'm telling you.
yeah. To work for a company
That
that
one's pretty.
did that.
Wow, that one. There's so many wires
that's
that
cool.
block the.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's the longest range of fire.
Oh!
Whoa, look at that!
Ah, I like those. Those are so cool.
Wow, that one is nice.
It's down there in Sierra Vista.
Oh.
Arrows!
Yes!
Yeah.
Yeah,
Wow,
those are cool.
wow.
When they go off.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
It's like our grand finales here. Just,
Oh,
the
okay.
bass comes out and puts it on.
Oh. Oh, that's right.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Did you see that green mall?
Oh. Oh, there you
Wow. And said I don't have a voice.
go. Oh, yeah.
And I can whistle.
Snow on the 4th of July.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, yeah.
Ah, there you
It on 5 minutes. Wow.
Canyon here.
The mountains in the way. And here and see the whole valley down there.
No, that one is. That one is. Oh, that one is. All of them are my favorites.
Really?
Could be.
Oh, that's cool.
Look at that. I know.
Just laying on the grass. Marbles like this most of the time.
Say,
That's what I like.
At least
Hello,
the
Molly.
Star-Spangled Banner.
I remember
Yeah.
you.
Oh, you remember me?
yeah.
What is my name?
There you go.
Ellie! You missed it! You missed it, Ellie! You missed it!
Watch.
Watch, Ellie! Watch, Ellie!
You see it?
Yep.
Do you remember my name?
Yep.
What's my name? What is my name?
I exactly don't know.
I remember until you asked me, damn it.
Can you say Janet?
You said you remember me. And you say about the fireworks.
Well, I say we go home.
Did you like them?
Did you like them?
Oh!
Oh,
There's a
two.
surprise!
Is that your friend?
Yep.
What's the name? What's her name?
Ellie.
Ali.
She was scared of the river water. I don't need help.
So you want her to go up here?
I don't
Be
need
careful. Oh, she doesn't need help.
I'm just helping you a little bit.
That's a little bit taller than the truck.
Oh, be careful, okay? Sit down.
Oh, I like your hair. That is so pretty.
Yeah.
Who did it? Did you do it yourself?
No, my mom did.
Your mom did? Oh. That is very
You're
pretty.
doing pretty good out here.
You're doing pretty good. Are you doing pretty good out here? Yeah? Oh, thank you very much.
Oh, where are you going?
Where are you going, Ellie? You ready to get down?
Where are you going?
Everybody's going home. It's done. The fireworks. Hi, Steven. You enjoy?
Alright.
It's alright.
Wasn't one of the best ones I've seen, but
Yeah, it's not really the best, but it's good enough. Bye, Molly. Bye. Bye, bye. Bye. Good night.
Bye, see you guys.
See you guys.
It's been long.
Good night. Bye. Good night. Now time for us to go home. It's so traffic. We got the shortcut, but still we stuck in here.